Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Subject Mathematics, Chapter Exponents and Radicals, Worksheet 2. In the previous class, we have learnt about laws of exponents. So, in today's class, application of laws of exponents in solving the problems. So, third main, evaluate. First question, 0.04 whole to the power of 3 by 2. First, we'll convert 0.04, which is in decimal, into the form of rational number. That is 4 divided by 100 whole to the power of 3 by 2. We know that 4 is a perfect square of 2 and 100 is a perfect square of 10. Therefore, it can be written as 2 square by 10 square. By applying the laws of exponent, since the power is same, so we can write 2 by 10 whole to the power of 2 into 3 by 2. Then this 2 and 2 get cancels. Left out is 2 by 10 whole cube. Now again applying the law of exponent, equating this power for both numerator and denominator, then it becomes 2 cube by 10 cube. We know that 2 cube is 8 and 10 cube is 1000. Converting the rational number into the form of decimal. Since there are 3 zeros, so the point will shift after 3 numbers. So 0.008. Moving to second question, 6.25 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Convert the decimal into the form of rational number 625 divided by 100. Because after decimal point we have 2 digits. Therefore, we need to write 100. And looking into the index, we have 2 in the index. Means 625 is a perfect square of 25 and 100 is a perfect square of 10. So, applying the law of exponent, that is a power m divided by b power m is nothing but a by b whole to the power of m. So, here 625 divided by 10 whole square into 3 by 2, and this 2 get cancels. So 25 by 10 whole to the power of 3. So 25 and 10 get cancels with the 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Again applying the law of exponent, that is equating the power for both numerator and also to the denominator, will get 5 cube divided by 2 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125 and 2 cube is nothing but 8. And converting this 125 by 8 into the form of decimal is 15.625. So without doing cancellation here, we can even solve 25 by 10 whole to the power of 3. Directly equating the power for both numerator and denominator, will get 25 cube by 10 cube. 25 cube is 15,625 and 10 cube is 1000. So shifting the point towards the left side, from right to left, will get the answer 15.625. Moving to third question, 0.03125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5. So convert this decimal into the form of rational number, will get 3125 whole divided by 1 lakh. Because after decimal point we have 5 digits, so 1 followed by 5 zeros. Convert this 3125 into the exponential form by doing prime factorization. Will get 5 to the power of 5. And here in 1 lakh, 1 followed by 5 zeros, so we can write 10 to the power of 5. Applying the exponential law, that is a power m divided by b power m is nothing but a by b whole to the power of m into minus 2 by 5 as it is. 5 and 5 get cancels, will get 2 by 10 whole to the power of minus 2. Removing the negative sign by reciprocaling the base 5 by 10. The reciprocal of 5 by 10 is nothing but 10 by 5 whole to the power of 2. Cancelling with the same factor, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, you will get 2 to the power of 2, which is nothing but 4. Moving to fourth question, 0.008 whole to the power of 2 by 3. So here decimal converted into rational number 8 divided by 1000, because after point we have 3 digits, so 1 followed by 3 zeros. Looking into the index, we have 3 here, that is 8 is a perfect cube of 2 and 1000 is a perfect cube of 10. So we'll get 2 to the power of 3 divided by 10 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3. Again applying the law of exponent, a to the power of m by b to the power of m is nothing but a divided by b whole to the power of m into 2 by 3, and this 3 get cancels, we'll get 2 by 10 whole to the power of 2. Then equating the power to both numerator and denominator, we'll get 2 square divided by 10 square. The 2 square is nothing but 4 and 10 square is nothing but 100. Converting this rational number into the form of decimal, here we have 4 by 100. So 2 zeros in the denominator, shifting the point from right to left after 2 digits. But here we have 1 digit, therefore make the another number as 0. So you'll get the answer as 0.04.